Hi everyone, today we'll be going over the course-to-course transfer search on our new and improved BC Transfer Guide website. This easy-to-use platform allows students to see what their transfer options are. Let's begin. From the homepage of the BC Transfer Guide website, there are two ways you can get to the course-to-course search. At the top of the homepage, you can select From or To under the course lookup. Or scroll to the transfer search section where you can see the different search options. Then select course-to-course search. The course-to-course search allows you to check out transfer agreements for courses you have completed or plan to complete and to see how they transfer at another post-secondary institution. Before we get started, it's important to distinguish between the From and To search functionalities. Choose From if you have taken a course and want to see where it will receive transfer credit. Choose To if you need a particular course at an institution and want to see where else you can take it to receive transfer credit. Our first example will focus on the From This Institution search. To do this, you'll need to ensure the From This Institution search button is selected. From there, fill in the institution and course information fields such as subject and course number, and the year you have completed the course. You have the option to perform a search one course at a time or by inputting multiple courses at once. I'll go ahead and pick Capilano University and perform a search to see if my Anthro 1-to-1 course transfers over to a few institutions. You'll notice that the Year Course Completed tab is defaulted to the current year, but you have the option to search as far back as 1995. You may choose to pick only one institution, or maybe you'd like to see how this course transfers at multiple institutions. I'll pick SFU, TRU, UNBC, and VIU since I'm currently unsure where I'll apply for transfer. Once I fill out all the required fields, I click on the search button. The search result page displays the courses we searched from on the far left, the institutions we searched to, the transfer credit you would be receiving at each of these institutions, as well as the effective dates on the far right. Let's quickly touch on the effective dates. They are listed to inform you whether a transfer agreement is current and active. In this case, all four agreements are active. A neat feature to mention here is the ability to download and save your search as a PDF document. As you can see with the BC Transfer Guide's course-to-course search, it's never been easier to find how courses transfer in BC. Make sure to check out our next video where we'll be going over the To This Institution course search demo.